Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Solomon. In this course, we're going to talk all about Pussy Willow. Salix is actually one of my favorite floral design materials because it's pliable, it's versatile, and it can be made into any type of designs. You can use it in structures, you can use it in bouquets, as well as linear designs. The application of this material is basically limitless. So in this course, I would like to share with you in 3 parts all my knowledge about Pussy Willow. In the first part of this course, I'm going to show you how to condition this material. How do you cut them? How do you manipulate them? How you bend them using different type of mechanics to create interesting shapes. In the second part, I'm going to show you a very interesting design using the techniques that we've learned in part 1, which you can adapt it into your own designs throughout different seasons of the year. And in part 3, we're going to consolidate what we've learned from part 1 and part 2 to create something that is visually stunning. This design will be visually impactful, dramatic, but at the same time, minimum in maintenance. It's comprehensive, it's practical, and it's a lot of fun. So welcome to the journey of Salix Pussy Willow!